Welcome to the Gorilla 7 video series. In this lesson, we're going to learn the basics about the Actors and Crew module. You can store all your actors and crew throughout your schedule. From the toolbar, select the Actors button. When you enter this module for the first time, you will see one record here. You can manually enter your actors into Gorilla, or you can import your contacts from another loaded schedule or from an Excel file. I'll go over all three methods here. Let's first modify this record already entered for us. Enter a first and last name. Next, let's attach this actor to a cast member. Now, this list of characters are stored in the Elements module because characters, also known as cast members, are elements, just like props, costumes, and set dressing. These elements are also imported from your screenplay, although you can create new elements too. Select a cast member from the list, and now this actor is attached or cast to this character. Next, let's import a headshot for this actor. To do this, click on the Import Headshot button. Locate the JPEG or PNG file, then select Insert. If desired, enter rates for this actor here. Later, you can import this actor and a rate to the budget that is linked to this schedule. In the Contact Info tab, you can enter personal information about this actor, including address, phone, and email. Let's add an address for this contact. Click on the Address field and click OK. Enter some address information. When finished, click OK. A contact can have more than one address. To add a second address, click the Add Address button. Phones, emails, and URLs work the same way. To add one of these to the contact record, select the Add button. Specify the type of entry you are creating, then enter the phone or email address and click OK. I'm going to create 2 phones for this contact and 1 email address. You can also explore the Stats tab and the Credits tab to enter even more detailed information about this person. Next, let's import actors from an Excel spreadsheet. From the File drop-down menu, select Import Actors, then from a text Excel file. Make sure you format your Excel file to follow this structure. Select the Import button. Locate the file. Make sure, once again, that the import fields match up and click OK. Let's check the first record. And here is the contact info, including address, phone, and email. Next, it's also possible that you want to import contact records from another schedule. You can do this for actors or crew, and since we are in the Actors module, we will do that. Select the File drop-down menu, and then select Import Actors from another schedule. You will only see the loaded schedules. Here in brackets, you will see the number of actor records in that project. Select the one you want to import from. If you scroll down the actors list, you will see the newly imported actors. Let's close the Actors module and pop over to the Crew module. Very similar to the Actors module, your crew will be listed here. You can create crew or import crew from another source. To sort the list, select either the crew label to sort by name or the title label to sort by crew title. Let's edit a crew member. Notice that the checkbox here is set to crew. If you happen to have a crew member that is also an actor, select this checkbox also. Doing this creates an actor record in the Actors module, where you can attach the actor to a role and do other actor things like import a headshot for that actor. Another difference in the crew module is that you can attach a crew title to a crew member. By clicking on the crew title field, you will be able to choose a title from about 100 different titles. Each title is attached to a corresponding crew department. To edit or add crew titles or departments, go to the list view, and from the crew drop-down menu, select Manage Crew Titles Departments. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the default crew departments. On the right, each department has a list of crew titles associated with that department. Let's say we want to add the title co-writer to the production department. Make sure the production department is selected. Select the Add Crew Title button to add the crew title. To edit the crew title, select it. If you want to reset all the crew titles and departments to their original state, select the Default button. Now, when you close the window, the new crew title will appear in the pop-down list. You can also modify the name of an existing crew department. So if you want to rename the Makeup Hair department to just Makeup, and then create a different department for hair, you can do that. Or you can delete a department entirely. Sorting options will appear on the bottom of this window, which will affect how crew reports are printed. To quickly print a contact list, for example a crew list, select the Quick Print button, and then select Crew List. Lastly, Gorilla 7 enhanced the crew import feature to include titles and addresses. To see how this works, go to the Other Schedule Additions folder in the Gorilla 7 folder, and then open the Import Cast Crew folder. You will see two sample Excel files, one to import contacts with no crew titles, and one with crew titles. If you have Excel, open the sample Import Crew with Titles file. This shows you how to format an Excel file if you want to import a crew list. Each column must contain the information shown here or be blank. You can enter crew titles in the J column and crew departments in the K column. If a crew title or department that you enter exists in Gorilla, it will use that title or department. If it does not exist, it will automatically create that crew title or department for your schedule. In this sample file, the items in the J and K columns that are italicized are not currently in my schedule file, so they will be created. So let's go ahead and import this sample file. As you can see, all the information was imported, including the new crew titles and departments. That's a wrap. Have a great shoot.